Tisha Monique here, and today we're going to be installing this Suyya hair tape-in extensions. I got 5 boxes. It ran me about $2.75 with Amazon Prime shipping, and I got it in the color 1B in 20 or 24 inches. The details will be in the description box. I will be installing as much of this hair as possible, and I believe there was 20 strips of hair in each package. So let's get into it. So I got my rat tail and my duckbill clips. This is what my hair looks like before, and yes, my hair is brown. I did not feel like dyeing my hair. I relaxed my hair, flat iron, straightened it. So I was like, color is probably not the smartest thing to do. So my hair is freshly relaxed in this clip. So what you see me doing is you see me testing to see if I can see the end of the comb with my hair, because that would let me know if I'm going to see the tape-ins when my hair is pulled back. So now I'm just braiding down the perimeter of my hair. Everybody's hairline is a little different. Mine is a little jagged, so I went a little further back with my perimeter hair that I'm leaving out. And y'all, this is essentially kind of like a traditional sew-in. The foundation is about the same. You take out the perimeter of your hair all the way around and then leave out the middle section, whether you want to do a side part or a middle part, and just basically go from there. So that's what you see me doing right now. Now, the amount of hair you leave out is entirely up to you. I have fine hair, so I'm leaving out a little bit more of my hair around the perimeter because I want to be able to put my hair up in a ponytail without being clocked. So I'm doing a side part. So this is going to be the hair that I left out. Honestly, I feel like I could have left out a little bit more, but it's all gonna work out. So this is what I decided to do with my leave out. So all I'm doing here is just kind of sectioning off where I want to leave my hair out at, and just kind of going all the way around and leaving the hair out all the way around, however much I want, over my ears, all the way to the back of my head. And I will come back in a little bit once I start installing my clip-ins. Alright guys, so this is the first strip that I will be applying. I will be removing the tape off of the strip of hair extension, and this is the adhesive that will be applying and sticking to my head. Now, I had a great idea to put it on my head. It looks easy, but it's actually pretty hard. You're basically flying blind when you are installing this. So I am going to put it on the comb and attempt to do it that way, which sounded like a good idea. I saw a girl on YouTube do it, but it actually turned out to be harder doing it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this first strip with the comb, but to be honest, it just takes too much time. When you are applying the tape ends, you don't want to put it close to your roots or close to your scalp, because it's going to hurt when you pull your hair up into a ponytail, and it can and will pull your hair out. So that's why you see me putting it up a little bit further away from my scalp. This is my very first time applying these tape ends, but as you will see throughout this video, I will get better, but this is my very first one. I just want to show you guys what worked for me and what didn't, and that we're not all professionals at this. So that was my first strip. I'm going to grab another strip And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich them on top of each other. So the hair that's in between that can really stay on that, but you don't want a lot of hair in between that's stuck to your tape in. So what I'm doing is I'm just sandwiching it together. If you have nails, it makes it a little bit harder, but it's not impossible to do. So that is my first tape in, and I'm pulling it up so I can see what it looks like if I pulled it up. So now I'm just moving to the side of my head. I've got a couple of these done already, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. When I'm on the side of my head, I'm doing a curved section. Honestly, you guys, this is kind of like doing a quick weave. You know, you leave some hair out, you glue the hair. This is kind of the same thing. You leave some hair out in between, you tape the hair on, and then you sandwich another piece of extension on top of that. So that's what I'm showing you guys right now, and I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what I am doing now that I have an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm removing the paper off of the hair extension, and now I'm just going to apply it on my hair right below my scalp. Remember to leave a little bit up at the top. So I just laid that flat down and make sure I am really pressing that down so it sticks to the hair up underneath. And I'm going to go ahead and lift that up. Again, whatever hair sticks to it naturally, let it stick. Whatever is loose, separate that, because you want your tape ends to stick together, and you don't want a lot of hair in between that because it will not last. It will fall out. So I'm now going to slow this down a little bit for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And I am sandwiching another piece of the tape in hair on top of the other one. You want to line these up perfectly, because this is what's going to help your tape ends last. And then just remember to press that down. Some people use flat irons, but Suyya left instructions on not to do that, so I didn't. And there we go. So this is what my hair is looking like at this point. I'm ecstatic because it looks good, doing my little dancey dance. All right, back to business. So I am a pro at this, it feels like. So I'm again going to show you guys what I'm doing, and I have curved parting towards the top of my head because whenever I pull my hair up in the front, I would like to not see my tracks. I would like to not see the tape ends. So if you do it horizontally, it's going to be harder to cover that up. So I would recommend just kind of doing a curved parting and then just going from there. Again, I'm going to sandwich another piece of my tape-in extensions on top of that one. And I'll just let you guys watch the rest of this.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare at my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views in an everyday. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
All right, so now I am just kind of testing what my hair is going to look like in the front as I'm prepping to do my side part. I obviously want a little bit more hair on the side with my parts, so I'm just kind of seeing what it's going to look like before I apply my tape ends and making sure I'm still going to be able to pull my hair up in a ponytail.
Oh,
so what I'm doing here, you guys, is I'm just kind of looking at my hair and just kind of seeing where I can add more, because at this point I still had a lot more of the tape-in hair. I definitely didn't need 5 boxes, and I didn't use all of it. So I'm just kind of feeling around and seeing where I can add more hair so it looks fuller, and so that my natural relaxed hair is not showing or exposed as much.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm cheese, peach fruits, and an egg day. All I wanna hear is the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I'm trying not to show how I feel about you. Push away. Really, really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Yes, you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you right now. Oh, right now. I want you right now. Oh, right now. I want you right now. Oh, right now. I want you right now. Oh, right now.
All right, you guys, and I am officially done installing my Suyya hair tape-in extensions. And now what you're gonna see me do is just kind of check and see if there was any gaps, if all of my tape-ins are covered by my hair, which it is. This was my first time doing this install, and I am super, super excited. If I can do it, you can do it too, girl. So now I am doing this ponytail test just to see what it looks like if I put it up. And it's passing all of the ponytail test. So now I'm going to use my edge stick, and I am going to lay down my hair, and I am just going to go in and just really just press out my relaxed hair so it blends in with this nice Suyya hair. So I'm going to go in with my pressing comb, and this is the hair that I have left. Probably I would say it's 1 pack of, or 1 box of the tape-in. So I probably used about 4 full boxes to get this full look. So again, I'm just going in and just pressing out my roots, and with this pressing comb, and just kind of blending it in. There are some other hair extensions that would match my texture a little bit better, but my thought process was after a while the Suyya hair isn't going to be so silky, so it will match my hair over time. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you want more tape-in extension videos. Bye, you guys.